Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today as a pretty big pullback occurred here, so certainly some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is actually just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not necessarily relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But one of the newest areas of resistance and what needs to be updated revolves around that purple line right there, which if you've watched past videos, I've talked about that being a key level of support. And there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. And with the price, breaking down below that level right there, that 50-period moving average would now be considered an area of resistance, and the current value of that is at $27.85. So just to make that easier to remember, let's just call it $28. So if there is any sort of attempted movements back in the upwards direction now, moving forward. So not necessarily just on Wednesday, but anytime in the foreseeable future with the price working back upwards, the question becomes, can the price break above and stay above that $28 mark? So keep a close eye on 28 moving forward, as again, that'll be that next main key level from the resistance side of things. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, it's all about the older brother of the 50-period moving average. We have the 200-period moving average, that pink line right there, a very famous level. In fact, it's one of those areas where even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, it tends to act as support. And the current value of that is, we'll just call it right around $25.50. So those are definitely going to be the two main technical levels to watch moving forward. Again, main level of resistance at $28, main level of support down there right around $25.50. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.